In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build mobile apps with Base44. We're going to walk through the basic process of creating a mobile app using Base44, from getting started on the platform all the way to preparing it for App Store submission. This is a simple workflow, and the key is to be clear with your app idea so the AI can generate something useful for you. First, go to Base44. Once you're on the platform, look over to the left-hand side and click on Home. This will take you to the main area where you can start a new project and access the building tools. Next, find the prompt box labeled Start Building and use it to create your account if you haven't already done that. This step is important because you'll need an account in order to save your app, return to it later, and publish it when you're ready. Once you're inside, go to the AI chat box and type a clear, detailed description of your app idea. Try to be as specific as possible here. For example, describe what the app should do, who it's for, and any important features you want included. The better your prompt, the better the AI's first draft is likely to be. After entering your idea, click Send Prompt. Base44 will begin generating your app based on your description. At this stage, give it a moment and wait until the AI has finished responding. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the process complete. Once your app has been built, you'll be able to review what Base44 created for you. This is where you can confirm that the structure and features match the concept you described earlier before moving into publishing. When you're ready to continue, click Publish in the top right corner. From the publishing options, select Mobile App. This tells Base44 that you want to prepare your project specifically for mobile distribution. Next, click Check Your App. This step helps you review whether everything is ready before moving forward. After that, click Run App Scan. The scan is useful because it helps catch issues that could affect your app's readiness for release, so it's a good idea to let it finish completely and review the results carefully. Finally, once everything looks good, upload your app to your respective Apple developer and Google Play console accounts. That's the last step in getting your app ready for distribution on iOS and Android, and that's how to build mobile apps with Base44, from idea to publish ready app.